Today, we're just vlogging at the zoo today. This is one of our first videos on me and Becca's channel, so it looks pretty good here.
Hi.
Good. There's a penguin right there. Oh my gosh. Just missed the penguin. It's just a big, huge penguin. Like Weston's. Wait, no, Weston. Let's see who's taller. Penguin or you? I think that looks like Kowalski. Penguins. Guys, I want to see the real penguin because that was just a stuffed animal penguin. Guys, we're doing butterflies first. Guys, we're gonna go to butterflies. The butterflies is that huge building. We're going to butterflies. Oh my god, this is so nice. Oh, that's the moon. Oh, and now it's starting. Whoa. Come on, let's go to the one thing that we needed, the butterfly garden. Alright guys, so we're going in. Look here. Do you see any butterflies? There's lots of butterflies. Let's go. Butterfly. Watch your step. Butterflies. Whoa, do you see that? So cool. I want one to land on my arm. Look at they're in the cocoons. Look at up there. Oh, the pretty one. The pretty cocoons up there.
Chrysalis.
At the top.
Patty. Chrysalis.
They're the same thing. Look at that one. That's cool.
And they're all trying to learn how to fly.
Alright, I'm watching my step. I can't look at the camera because I have to watch my step. Look at that really pretty one. It's a really green butterfly. Right?
That's so pretty. I want it to land on me.
You can't touch You can't touch the butterfly.
I didn't touch it. I touched the leaf.
And then look at that one. That one's cool.
Look at that one on the ground. So I think we're gonna go to the bird area. No touching birds. There's always those birds. Oh my god, I've always wanted to see what these look like. And oh my god.
He woke up.
Oh my gosh.
Look at him, he's so big. He's a big bird.
Is he gonna copy us?
I don't think he's that kind of.
Hello.
Well, you need to.
Hello.
You need to train parents. You need. Well, he might be a parent.
Copy off?
He's a macaw. I checked the sign.
Alright guys, we're going to see the penguins right now. Look at the penguin. Oh, I never noticed that. The penguin exhibit is an iceberg. Look at it's breaking apart. Look at that crack is a crack. So I never noticed that it's an iceberg before. We're walking right into the penguins. They're right here. Guys, look at that fat one right there. Yeah, fat penguin. Oh, look at that penguin over there. What? Aw, they're so cute. Look at some over there. Look at over there, emperor penguin. Way there. Look at them. They're so cool. Up close. So, it's feeding time.
They know. Look at this one just hopped over.
They're so funny.
This one's coming on over as well.
Look at that one. Water. Oh, look at them. There's so much swimming over there. Better see them.
Feeding a fish.
Oh, look at them feeding them. Ooh, nom nom nom.
Yeah, really. He's like sniffing. Look at this one. Oh, he's going for that one.
Yep. That's so funny.
That's funny how they do
Oh my god, this is the cute. Oh, they're fighting.
Of the fighting. Do you see that one fighting? Look at them fighting. Look at him. Oh, look at him. He just came out of the water. Look at him. Emperor. 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 Entering the ship. Alright guys, we're going to see the storm. Look at at nighttime, it's going to storm.
It's just a storm and the waves were huge.
Well, look at this penguin. Orca. Orca. It's an orca. Oh, look at how much penguins. Look at it. Oh my god. Cute, 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 cute. Comment down below if you think this is cute.